Probably since we're in Mexico, people smoking. There's a lot of Canadians in Mexico.
Joey's food fight is here to make the kids smile.
Montezuma's revenge. Joey's food fight. Wow, whoa, is that smoking hot grill? I got costillos, ribs on the grill, baby backs. Give me those baby back.
I want my baby back.
Baby backs. We're gonna put some zucchini on the grill. We're gonna put some corn on the grill. And we're making horchata. That's perfect. Put it here. Oh, here, it's okay. Yeah, perfecto. Y es muy caliente, so no pongo allá. See, put this over here porque es muy caliente. Look. Hi!
Nos hizo Joey unas costillas deliciosas, unos elotes deliciosos con un poco de calabaza salteada y unos cheese. Macaroni and cheese deliciosos.
Breakfast tomorrow, look.
Okay.
Uno,
Sí.
dos,
Muy bien.
bananas. Y mañana.
Pan francés.
I put a little bit of brown sugar, a little cinnamon, a little vanilla. Set. Eso. Ajá. Está muy fácil. Look. I'm getting it all ready right now because Lalo's sister is going to take me to play pool. Yes? That means we're going to be out late tonight. So I'm going to get everything done right now so I can wake up a little later in the morning. This is sister de Lalo, nombre Pato. Day 5. On Monday, today is like Friday. On Monday I go scuba diving. Oaxaca is the state of Mexico. Huatulco is this town I'm going to, the beach town. My hotel will be on the beach. I will be scuba diving. Every time I go traveling and cooking for kids, I finish off my trip with 5 to 7 days of scuba diving. I'll be on the beach. There'll be bikinis. And probably since we're in Mexico, people smoking weed. Maybe I'll have a cigarette or two. Yesterday, dumb Joey drank, I wasn't even thinking about it. I drank a glass of water. Montezuma's revenge.
Yeah, Montezuma revenge. Yeah.
Bad. One day I slept the whole day sick.
Yeah.
Both sides.
Yeah.
And he helped me all day. Family.
Yes, we are family.
I will be back to Ammi, both Ammis.
Wow,
Y
yes.
voy a cocinar mucho más tiempos con él y mi nueva familia. In the most beautiful home I've ever been to.
No way.
Where they play beautiful Christian music all the time. The kids are amazing. The dogs, ¿cuántos perros tienen?
8.
8 perros. And
8.
this is Lalo and his wife Lou. Family, they are family forever. Carnitas tacos with arroz y frijoles, charro,
Sí.
y guacamole, y pico de gallo,
Sí.
y tortillas fresco. Check this out.
Yeah.
Carnitas tacos. Manteca is pork fat. I got a pork butt here that he's cutting up. It's gonna cook 3-4 hours. Uriel, eso es jefe número 1 en mi corazón. This is the best kid chef ever. ¿Qué es eso? French toast with Johnson's breakfast sausage. The kids love Johnson's breakfast sausage. Johnson should be a sponsor all over the world where I go. It's everywhere. The kids go crazy for your sausage, Johnson folks. We need to partner and feed children all over the world.
It's the best here. It's the most organized place I've ever been. I'm going to the second Casa Ammi today. That means I've hit 5 different groups. Casa Pan de Vida, Casa Esperanza para Ti,
Casa Esperanza para Ti,
Casa Ammi, Casa Ammi 2, and Casa Otomi, which is the indigenous folks. 5 different groups of kids, some easy, some hard, some organized, some not. Some filthy, some spotless. This place is amazing. It's also given me a more clarity on what Joey's Food Fight is. Joey's Food Fight is here to make the kids smile, to make them feel like they're normal kids, not group home orphanage kids. To teach food to the people in the kitchen, the chefs in the kitchen. To teach sanitation, to build menus. So I wrote and transcribed 12 recipes that I will use for everybody moving forward, and to be present and loving. It's like a week celebration of Joey's Food Fight when I visit these places or however long I stay. New pots and pans, new equipment, a generator if they need it, basketball courts if they need it, like I did in Asia. But what Joey's Food Fight really is a place of celebration and happiness. And there's nothing happier than this little doggy. Hi, Scott. He's so old and happy and cuddly. I love you, Scott.
Para pollo. Canadiense. Please. There's a lot of Canadians in Mexico. Christians.
Sí.
Christian missionaries, tons of them. They do so much beautiful work here.
Okay.
Unbelievable. They're a little too rigid in their thinking. And we'll talk about that when I get home. Either it's their God or everybody else is going to hell. That's wrong.
Okay.
But beautiful people. We are making Thai food. He's cutting the steaks. We're gonna roast it on a wok. Perfecto. No tiene. Solo es comida. Si es grande, maybe un poco menos. Es perfecto. Es perfecto. This is homemade teriyaki sauce. Eso es horchata. Azúcar moreno, vanilla, and cinnamon. So that's 4 spoons, chef spoons of arroz seco, dry rice. 2 chef spoons of sugar. Agua, he's now putting in vanilla. Más, mucho más. And vanilla. Okay, perfect. Mucho. Wow. I'm at Casa Ammi número 2, the second one. And they are bakers. I got my start in the bake kitchen at Gordon Sinclair's restaurant. The first pastry I ever made was souffle cake. Oh my God. These are gonna be donuts?
Yes.
Donuts. Oh. Gallianesas?
Berlinesas.
Otra vez.
Berlinesas.
Eso. quiero poner nombre de tu negocio. ¿Qué es nombre de tu tienda?
Panadería Bench. Lo busca en Facebook y ahí
Ah,
se encuentra.
bueno. ¿Y qué tiene en el intro?
Se abre, se rellena de crema pastelera.
It's like an eclair. It's an eclair. Buenas fortunadas.
Como buena fortuna.
Good luck.
Buena suerte.
Buena suerte.
Buena suerte. Ok.
Buena suerte. Check the meatballs out for lasagna. My meatballs here have serrano chilies, Parmesan cheese. I took bolillos, I browned them in the oven and I made breadcrumbs. Cilantro, oregano, garlic, sal, pimienta. And look, of course, my sauce has chipotle. I cooked lasagna noodles, tossed them in olive oil and Parmesan cheese. We got ricotta, and this is queso Oaxaca, which is mozzarella cheese with flavor. This is my new go-to for all my lasagnas, Oaxacan cheese.